select Simandhar? Starting straight away with Archana.
So the reason behind selecting Simandhar is, first thing is I was stuck at the application process, which is very tedious. So Simandhar helped me with that, and I have no idea about the licensing and all after the exams part is done. So also I need some guidance throughout this CPA journey. So after joining, I got to know that they additionally provide the classes and keep us engaging with the daily MCQs and all, with the regular YouTube videos which are helpful for the CPA preparation and all. Those all were like which I didn't expect, but was happy with that. So there is a guidance throughout this process of CPA until you are like licensed, and even after licensing.
Yes, what about Anushka has a very interesting story. She should definitely tell the institute where she started first and how did she switched over to Simandhar. Anushka, what do you think about what was the turnaround point?
I am so grateful to Quora in the first place that I found out about Simandhar Education. I was so frustrated with my previous CPA review provider, which I would not want to name right now, which would be a bad thing in a way. But yeah, I was not happy with their content with some subjects. And because CPA requires you to invest a certain amount, and it's a huge amount at one point. So I was very casually browsing through Quora and obviously very desperate to find out a good alternative. And I found out about Simandhar Education on Quora. Someone had answered about them. So I contacted Shripal sir. I did not know that I was contacting him directly on the website. So I just chatted with him for a while, and he guided me through the whole process, how they function, how they plan to do. And the good thing is, there are very few institutes that actually implement what they promise. That is a very good thing about Shripal sir. If he promises that he's going to, keep in touch with the students for a certain amount of time, just track their progress, he will make sure that he does it to his best effort, which is a very good thing. So I just started because I knew that this was like the end point for me, and he has given me every resource possible to make CPA happen for me. It took me a long time because I was involved with the wrong institute previously, but he has constantly been taking updates from me, constantly been guiding me. And when this lockdown happened, I didn't get in touch with him too much because I was already very depressed about how things were not working out for me. I had 3 subjects pending. I had scheduled my exams for May. But then he started with his webinars, which were like a 180-degree turn for me. If you know that you have some people who are guiding you to do something better in life, sharing their experiences, that really helps in a depressing period like this. So when I used to study, so here would be the webinar going on in front of me. In here, I would be studying, listening to the questions, asking questions to the very experienced professionals that Shripal sir got in touch with. And that is something that has really helped me in this whole process. These 3-4 months have been really crucial in actually making me accomplish what I actually started. So I cannot thank you enough. To be very honest, I cannot thank you enough. I had initially planned to fly down to Hyderabad once. I was like, I'll be done with CPA. I have to meet him, but this is not possible. It's good that I can see you virtually right now, but yeah, it's been a great journey because of you. To be very honest.
Thank you so much, Anushka. That's
Thank
very
you.
interesting message. Irshad, what do you think, Mike?
Well, sir, actually, I would say that there are many institutes who provides you with the material, who provides you with the lectures, video lectures, everything. But what makes Simandhar Education different from the other institutes is, other institutes will ask you to study, and Simandhar Education will, Simandhar Education will make you study. The kind of messages we get on WhatsApp, the Telegram, the energetic messages from you, the inspirational messages from you, that always keeps us motivating actually. Whenever we get a result time, the kind of messages, the kind of confidence we get, that's really different. I don't think no other institute will have such kind of methodology, that such kind of the process that you follow, that makes the Simandhar Education different from the other institute. And second thing is the different portal we have, right? So where we have our own lectures. So many students, what I found on LinkedIn, on Facebook is, they have problem with the accent, the language. language of the Becker. So Simandar have their own lectures. Use the material of the Becker, but we have our own lectures. That really helps most Indian students. So I don't
I have
think other
another
institutes will have
point
that.
to add.
Yeah, please.
Sorry to, and I just wanted to say I had another point to add, but continue. You can continue.
No, no, go ahead, Anushka, because it's fine.
So before getting associated with Samandar, I had always thought, okay, just get a 75 and get done with CPA. I had never thought of going beyond even more than 80 or something like that. I was like, it's a bonus if you get a 75, because getting in CA it's more like 50 and 40 aggregate 50 kar lo and then just pass. So with CPA, it's 75 passing, and then you think about, okay, people are getting 90 above. You can also do it. And he would post, people getting marks. Okay, he's got a 99, he's got a 97, and you would see the Becker FAR group and Facebook groups. So it really pushed me to do it. Okay, this is possible. So that is how this has helped me. I never thought I would get even close to a 90 in any of the subjects, but I did one subject, which is like the happiest day of my life right now.
Anushka, Shraddha, what do you think?
So, to me, I think the exceptional thing with Simandhar is, they don't treat you as students, because no institute will get involved in your life this much. Because sir has not been just a teacher, he has been a proper like guidance. He will, treat you as his own, because he'll not only just, praise you, he'll more likely scold you for not being up to the mark. Because we have had our, like issues and all, but he has always been there for me, and always have guided me through everything, and never like gave up on me. So, and these 4 months, he has planned out these amazing webinars, and it has really helped us to look at CPA in not just as another career opportunity, but also as a stepping stone to get into that world that sir has tried to create. So, and these amazing people are talking about, so that these webinars have been really great. And sir's scoldings of waking up early in the morning, and these little tips that he keeps giving us, that has been really helpful in this whole lockdown process. So
Thank you, Shraddha. Prerna, what are your views? Yeah, I mean, how was it for Simandar for you?
So when I used to see your posts on Facebook with your friends, and I would see that you're doing something, and I'd be like, okay, this is interesting. He's left his job, he's doing something completely different, And when I contacted you, you didn't hesitate even for once. You were like, okay, start doing this. Like you had like a plan of action from the day I contacted you. And you hounded me till I got it done. Which nobody will really do, I think. It's like, you want to do it, do it. So that way, Sripal, you put in your time, you're invested in each and every student. I've seen the posts on Telegram and WhatsApp, and I see how much people respect you and how much you've grown. You've really grown from what I've known you back in Hyderabad. A really amazing job on Simandar. The people there they're invested with each student. When I ping anybody, you get an instant reply, or it's like a turnaround time is like within like 2-3 hours. So amazing work. Kudos to you, Sripal. I'm really proud of the work you've done here.
Thank you so much, Prerna. Thank you so much, guys. It was amazing to hear such good words, and I really know that 90% success belongs to you. The entire hard work, what you have done, it's completely of yours. And I'm glad that 10% role I could also play in completing that. And I'm really happy, and I'm just looking forward for placing Shraddha, Anushka. I've just spoken to Big Force, and today I was just talking to Shraddha also. And even to Archana, I was talking in US. Even Prerna, I was telling in US that what is the next game of action for you guys. Even on the licensing front, we were discussing something. So really all the best to all of you. I know you will really do well in your corporate life as well as you were in your CPA life, and you'll not be complacent and down to earth and help all the other professionals as you have been always doing. A real big thank you to you for being such great professionals with Samandar Education, and you have been fantastic folks for us. Thank you so much. I normally give a kind of gifts to people who pass CP and all, but unfortunately, thing I'm not able to give you anything except for my blessings.
I think that's above all the
Yeah.
gifts, sir.
Exactly, exactly.
I will definitely send you the vouchers actually. So I have been ready. I hope that that comes very soon to you all guys. You have really made us proud. And I know that Irshad and all, Irshad has lost his parents as well. So I know what it means. So to share the success with me, if not his parents, I think his elder brother is really dedicated towards him. I really see that kind of people, that kind of passion here at Samandar, and that are some of the things which drive me also and make it a huge hit. I'm so happy that today almost 30 people have individual sections have passed, and U5 have become alumni today. I think it's a big day at Samandar, and I'm really happy.